up some chickens?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Here at Lynn Acres Farm, we take COVID-19 and cleanliness very seriously. Let's wash these chickens' feet. Hey, where you guys going? Is she your favorite chicken? Yeah, we gotta make sure that we keep her nice and clean. A little bit of soap here. Oh boy, good job, Emmett. All right, it's time to give her a rinse. Let's lower her down. All right, she's all rinsed off. Let's get some soap.
Is that real chicken coming to check?
Yes, I think she's coming to check.
Yeah, I think she's coming to check on us. And then I'm gonna wash them.
Ready? Yeah.
All right, so while we're quarantined at home, we're taking this hand washing very seriously. It's all of our family members are participating. So we're gonna take care of Teapot here.
Little foot in the warm water, a little bit of soap, and a little brush, and voila. Stop.
Okay.
We're now doing one of our furry friends in the house. All right, last but not least is the kitty cat.
During this quarantine, you can do many things, like playing the guitar, play some pool, get a nice good workout in, and even a motivational speech.
That these times during the coronavirus are tough, but I promise you, with perfect perseverance, some social distancing, and some good hand washing, we can make it through this.
You might even accidentally murder your brother because you've been quarantined with him for 3 weeks. Or you can hang around.
Hello?
Make some nice phone calls.
Hello?
You could tap into some drawing.
This
even
is
listen to a
global
PSA.
pandemic. We need to be taking this seriously. I need all of you to be social distancing and washing your hands 20 seconds minimum. Hey, wash your hands.
I mean, you can get into more fights with your brother. It's gonna happen.
The time it took you to watch this video, you could have washed your hands 3 times. Take that in the thought.
Quarantine Ken here. It's year 7 of the lockdown, and I've only washed my hands 13 times today, so I've got to go wash my hands. I don't trust the rest of the house. I haven't left my room in like, I don't know, 6 or 7 weeks, so I'm going to need the proper PPE. Let's do this. Okay, go. You gotta be very thorough. Make sure you take off your jewelry. Wash that too. Give it a solid 30 seconds just to be safe. One thing I don't see anybody doing, you gotta wash your phone. Soap it up.
Wash your hands for 20 seconds.
Meet Nilla. Nilla really is really dirty. Nilla needs a bath. She really needs to wash her hands. So this is what proper hand washing looks like, but she really does not look cute when she washes her hands. But 20 seconds of hand washing will do you some good. So this is what it looks like when you actually wash your hands.
You guys, it's important to wash your hands for 20 seconds. This COVID-19 is not a joke. Like, You guys got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
10 seconds later.
20 seconds?
2 hours later.
Are you washing your hands?
Were you behind me the whole time?
Many unbearable hours later.
Are you washing your hands?
Just give me a minute.
No, it's just 20 seconds.